must love dogs. In the movies, it was about the dating scene. Dates can lead to marriage, which can lead to children, except why kids when you can have a dog? Today, many dog owners treat their four-legged friends like children. A new study claims it's not just a one-way relationship. Chris Williams dug into the story, sniffing around a Tempe pet resort.
Tails wagging with excitement, these playful pooches have it made in the shade at the Arizona Pet Resort. Their owners see them more like children than animals, and this doggy day camp is the equivalent of your child's daycare. But a new study out of Europe claims what these dogs see may not be so different than their owners/parents.
She is a child to me.
How do you think she looks at you?
Like her mom. I think, I think she looks at me as her caretaker, not as just her owner.
The study claims Megan Larson, Riley's mom, is right on. Researchers found that the dog-human interaction is more like a parent-child interaction than anyone ever thought.
When I call here, I introduce myself as Button's mom. I'm calling in regards to Buttons.
So Buttons, do you think Buttons sees you as a mom?
I sure hope so.
If that's true, that's great, but I don't know. It could be a little bit of a stretch.
He's the only family I have, as far as an immediate family, so I accept him for that, and I think he does, feels like that too.
How do you see Keisha? Let's go, bud. Researchers say dogs behave best for their owners than when a stranger takes command, even more so than children.
Come on, guys.
That was an entertaining discovery to ponder, watching pet parents dance, trying to answer our questions and slow their four-legged kids anxious to get home to play.
Guys, look over here.
Do you have any human children as well?
No, I don't. I prefer dogs. They don't talk back.
Researchers stuck to studying dogs. No word on whether they'll look at how cats see their owners. Then again, if you've ever owned a feline friend, it's probably a waste of resources to try and predict a thing like that. Live in the Information Center, Chris Williams, 12 News.